Stop everything! You are witnessing one of nature's greatest mysteries, the head tilt. Scientists say dogs do this to hear better, to read our emotions, or to locate sound. But here's what's really happening. Your dog just heard something that broke their brain. Was that a squeak? A doorbell? Another dog? What is this sorcery? That little tilt? That's them rebooting, processing, computing. And fun fact, it works both ways. Because the second your dog does this, your brain goes, "Oh my God, that's the cutest thing I ever seen!" So who's training who here? Exactly. Head tilt, 1. Humans, 0.